This is a 2010 Dodge Charger. This four-door sedan has a 4-speed automatic transmission and a 3.5-liter V6. Its top features include power adjustable driver pedals, traction control and stability control systems, commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a power driver's seat, solar control glass, cruise control, a Sentry key theft deterrent system, front and rear floor mats, fog lamps, an anti-lock braking system, a passenger side airbag, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has less than 53,000 miles. Not to mention that this Dodge qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.